Welcome to our 25 years of Fair Play in Rotterdam.
Such a party is always also a good opportunity to thank all service providers, suppliers, and numerous little helpers which you need to make an operation like this run. Thank you for all your support, and we hope that this will also continue for the next years. So generally, we are proud that in the past as well as today, we have super enthusiastic young people who know what they are talking about in the towage industry. And probably even more important, we have extremely motivated crews. These Fair Play crews have gone all and still go this extra mile to finish a job. I think this makes the difference. Thank you, dear crews. Thank you, dear staff, for all this dedication and loyalty.
And we are really happy that you're here to celebrate this together with us. 25 years in Rotterdam is actually quite an achievement of all the people that have worked on it.
Starting from a relatively smaller company in the port of Rotterdam, growing in the number of years up to what we reach now, that we are with a number of units serving the port of Rotterdam.
The event tonight is really marvelous. Our summer till now was rain and wind, but the guys that arranged this event also arranged the sunshine, even at this hour, and I think everybody is really happy with it.
For me, the most important was to see the face of the people behind the email, to meet the people from Hamburg and also from here from the office, because we are in touch every day. We exchange many emails, but at the end of the day, you don't know with whom are you talking. This is more like a human. The human side, I like it.
I am having fun, although we are in service. It's very nice to see the people over here which you did not see for a long time. And you meet your colleagues in another setting, and it's also very nice.
Everybody is cheerful, and of course after a few wines and beers it's going more smooth.
We feel like one big family group, and it's really nice to see everybody here and everybody's happy.
Es ist wie mit Freunden hier die Zeit verbringen. Toll. Strong connection.
We got a lot of feedback from everybody who visited us, and actually they wanted to be here next year as well. So let's see if we can do it next year again.